You know what? I'm going to cut straight to the point today because what I'm about to show you is going to blow your mind. While everyone else is creating AI avatars that look like robots, I just discovered a method using ChatGPT prompts that creates avatars so realistic people can't tell they're fake. In the next 7 minutes, you're going to watch me create this from scratch. But here's the catch. This only works if you follow every single step exactly as I show you. So if you're ready to create an AI avatar that looks completely human, keep watching. Before we dive in, let me show you exactly what we're creating today. We're going to build an AI avatar that looks photorealistic, not like a cartoon, moves naturally with hand gestures and facial expressions, speaks with a voice that matches their appearance perfectly, uses custom motion prompts to avoid looking robotic, can talk about any topic with genuine expressions. And here's the secret weapon. We're using ChatGPT to generate prompts that make your avatar 10x more realistic than what most people create. Even HeyGen's own tutorials don't show you this method. Step 1. Setting up your HeyGen account. First, open your browser and go to heygen.com. You'll see this homepage. Click the big Get Started for Free button right here. Now you have 3 options: email, Google, or Apple. I recommend Google because it's fastest. Click Sign Up with Google. Choose your Google account and now you'll see this verification screen. Check your email. You should have a verification code from HeyGen. Copy that code and paste it here. Create a password, check this terms box, and hit Create Account. Perfect. You're now in the HeyGen workspace. This is what you should see. If your screen looks different, you might need to refresh. On the left sidebar, you'll see options like Create Video, Avatars, and Voices. This is your main workspace. Step 2. Create a new avatar. Alright, let's dive into creating your avatar. Follow along with the screen recording to see exactly how it's done. On the left sidebar, you'll find the Avatars section. Go ahead and click on it. This is where all your creative magic begins. You'll see different options, but for a static image, select Photo Avatar. This is perfect if you want a more traditional look. Now click on Design with AI. This feature lets you customize your avatar with ease, using AI to enhance the details. Step 3. Customize your avatar. Now let's get into the fun part, customizing your avatar to make it truly unique. Start by filling in the basics like name, age, gender, and ethnicity. These details help shape your avatar's identity. For appearance, if you're unsure about the specifics, ChatGPT is here to help. Ask it to generate a detailed description of your avatar's appearance and personality. Request specifics like facial features, clothing style, and expressions and personality. For example, I want to create an ultra-realistic AI avatar for professional videos. Please write a detailed physical description including specific age, young, exact hair color and style, eye color, detailed facial features, skin tone, clothing style, and personality traits that affect body language. Make them look like a confident, approachable professional who excels at explaining complex topics clearly. Be extremely specific with visual details. The more specific, the better the AI results. Copy this entire description. We'll paste it directly into HeyGen. This level of detail is what separates amateur avatars from professional ones. Decide whether you want your avatar in landscape or portrait mode. Then select full body or upper body for the pose. This choice depends on how you plan to use your avatar. Finally, pick a style that fits your needs. Whether you want something realistic or more stylized, choose what best represents your vision. Step 4. Generate and review avatar. Now, let's bring your avatar to life. Once you've set everything up, click Generate Preview. This will give you a sneak peek at your avatar. Take a close look at the generated avatars. You'll see several options, so choose the one that looks most realistic and aligns with your vision. Step 5. Select or add a voice. After your avatar is ready, you'll see options to add a voice. Choose a voice for me. Click this option to let HeyGen automatically select a voice that matches your avatar. Add a voice. Click Add a voice to manually select from available options. You'll see a list of voices. Click on each to preview how they sound. Create new voice. Instant voice cloning. Clone your voice from an audio file or recording. Generate voice. Create a new voice from a text prompt. Once satisfied, confirm your choice to apply the voice to your avatar. Step 6. Create a video with your avatar. Alright, now that we've got our avatar ready, let's dive into creating a video. Follow along with the screen recording to see exactly how it's done. Head over to the Avatars section on the left sidebar. This is where all your creations live. Find the avatar you just created and select it. You'll see options pop up. Click on Create Video with AI. You'll be prompted to choose between landscape or portrait mode. Pick the one that suits your project best. Now let's give your avatar a voice. Click on the voice settings. Here you can choose the voice you want. Adjust the speed, volume, and accent to match the tone you're aiming for. In the text box, type out what you want your avatar to say. If you're looking for inspiration, use ChatGPT to generate engaging script ideas or dialogue. Just ask for a prompt like, create a friendly introduction for a tech tutorial. To make your avatar expressive, click on your avatar on the screen. Then, click Avatar to enable the AI motion engine. This will bring your avatar to life with natural movements. Click the settings icon and choose Custom Motion. This is where you can add specific gestures. Ask ChatGPT for a prompt to make your avatar's motion expressive. Here's a great example. Avatar moves expressively while speaking. Natural body language with light upper body shifts, subtle head tilts, and smooth posture changes. Uses hand gestures to emphasize key points. Open palm, small arm movements, occasional finger count. Facial expressions match tone. Slight smiles, eyebrow raises, serious looks when needed. Maintain eye contact with the camera. Movements feel natural and human. Step 7. Finalize and generate video. Alright, we're almost at the finish line. Now it's time to make sure everything is just right before we create the final video. First, click on the preview button. This is your chance to watch the video and see how your avatar looks and sounds. Pay attention to the details. Does the voice match the expressions? Are the gestures natural and engaging? If you notice anything that seems off, don't worry. You can easily go back and tweak the settings. Maybe the voice needs a slight speed adjustment, or perhaps the gestures could be more expressive. Take your time to get it just right. Once you're happy with everything, it's time for the big moment. Click the Generate button to create your final video. This is where your avatar truly comes to life, ready to impress your audience. Let me quickly show you how to fix the most common problems people encounter. Problem 1. Avatar looks robotic. Solution: go back to ChatGPT and ask for more expressive motion prompts. Problem 2. Voice doesn't match appearance. Solution: try the Smart Voice Match feature again or browse more voice options. Problem 3. Movements seem unnatural. Solution: adjust your motion prompts to be more specific about timing and gesture types. Problem 4. Avatar doesn't maintain eye contact. Solution: this usually happens with poorly generated avatars. Try creating a new one with a more detailed description. Congratulations! You've just created an ultra-realistic AI avatar that rivals anything HeyGen's official tutorials show you. Here's what to do next. Create 3 to 5 short videos about subjects you know well to get comfortable with the workflow. Ask ChatGPT for different gesture styles: formal presentation, casual conversation, enthusiastic teaching, same avatar, different backgrounds or outfits for variety. Keep a document with your best ChatGPT prompts for future avatars. The combination of detailed physical descriptions plus custom motion prompts is what creates avatars that people genuinely can't tell are AI generated. Look, I've just shown you the exact system that creates ultra-realistic AI avatars, the same quality that costs thousands of dollars if you hired a professional. But here's the thing. Information without action is worthless. Most people will watch this tutorial, think it's amazing, bookmark it, and then never actually create their avatar. Don't be most people. Your assignment is simple. Pause this video right now, follow these exact steps, and create your first ultra-realistic avatar. Use the ChatGPT prompts I gave you. Focus on the details that make it look human. And if you're ready to try generating your own avatar or even clone yourself, click the link in the description to get started with HeyGen. It's your chance to bring your digital ideas to life. Comment below when you've created your avatar. I want to see your results. Show me what you built using this method.